Have you ever wondered about how to transfer photos from iPhone to iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, the new iPad, or iPad for halves for better enjoyment? If so, then you've come to the right place. Method 1. How to transfer photos from iPhone to iPad via Phone Transfer 5-min way. Phone Transfer is an all-round desktop application that allows users to share files like photos, music, photos, or even contacts, messages, etc., between two different devices. Here's how to get photos from iPhone to iPad with one click by using Phone Transfer. Step 1. Launch the program and connect your devices. Step 2. Confirm the position of source and destination device. Step 3. How to get pictures from iPhone to iPad. Method 2. How to transfer pictures from iPhone to iPad via iTunes. Connect iPhone to computer, open iTunes, click iPhone icon, choose Photos, Sync, disconnect iPhone, connect iPad via USB. In iTunes, select iPad, click Photos, sync from iTunes library. Method 3. How to get photos from iPhone to iPad via iCloud. Step 1. Go to Settings. Your Apple ID's profile part, tap on iCloud. Step 2. Choose Photos toggle on iCloud photo library. Step 3. Just wait for the photos on iPhone syncing to your iPad. Method 4. How to send photos from iPhone to iPad via AirDrop. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone and iPad screen to open Control Center. Enable the AirDrop option. Step 2. Open the Photos app on your iPhone and go to choose the Select option and select the photos you want to transfer. Step 3. Click on the Share button and choose AirDrop to share the selected photos. Select your iPad as the target device. Tap on it, and all the photos will be transferred. Method 5. How do I transfer photos from iPhone to iPad via email? iPhone Photos, select Photos, Share, Send via email, enter recipient's email. On iPad, open Mail, log in, download photos from email.